Face, it is that time of the month again where we're talking about our monthly favorites. I've had so many good items that I've been enjoying for the month of February, and I'm excited to show you guys what they are. Let's go ahead and get into those items. First item I want to show you guys that I've been really obsessed with this month is this here. I believe I talked about this in a previous video where I unboxed it, but I don't really think that I went into detail of exactly what this is. And you're probably like, what the heck is that? So this is from Beauty Blender. I think I got it upside down. There you go, so you can see it. This is from Beauty Blender. It is the Surface Simple. All it is a mixing palette. I know, right? It is a fancy mixing palette. Now I do have one that's like all metal, but I really wanted to get this one, not only because it's clear, so you can kind of mix things together, especially if you have to customize a foundation. You can put it up to your skin and kind of see if it matches, especially if you're a makeup artist. The reason why I ended up getting this and it caught my eye is because it's in a case. This is my idea. This is what I was thinking when I got this. So I tend to mix my foundations often. Sometimes I want to do a shade match where maybe the foundation is a little bit too warm for my liking, or maybe it's a little bit too deep. Maybe I need to lighten it up. So I like to mix on the palette. Or sometimes I like to kind of customize the finish of my foundation. So I like to mix different finishes to get a particular look that I'm going for. The reason why I wanted this with the case, and I was like, oh my God, I need this, is because sometimes I mix a little bit too much. And if I do, I can always put it in the case, close it, and then tomorrow I could just open it up and use it again. Since this has a case and then it also has like a rubber sealant, I haven't had any issues of any product drying up on me. However, if you do have an issue with a product drying up, I just spray a little setting spray in it, mix it, and just keep going about my business. Another item I've been really loving this month is Press Play by The Do. So I purchased these in February. No, I purchased these in January. I purchased these in January, and I really started using them at the end of January into February, and I've really been loving these for my at-home silk presses. They do come in a full line where you can get the shampoo, conditioner. There's a wrapping foam. I believe it also comes with a serum. It has a full line. These are the two that I purchased and that I've really been enjoying. So the first one I want to tell you guys about is the Silent Treatment. It's a 30-day thermal protection spray. After you wash your hair, condition your hair while it's still wet. You just spray a couple of spritz on your hair. Let me see what it says here. So basically with this, what you do is you part your hair in 4 to 6 sections depending on how thick your hair is, and I do 2 sprays per section. It says 1 or 2 sprays per section. Now if I were to split my hair in 6 sections, I would just do 1 spray per section because I don't want too much product to weigh my hair down. You know, I still want my hair to be all nice, fluffy, and flowing. It protects your hair from frizz and humidity up to 4 washes. The next item we have is the Do OPP, which is 1 pass press heat protecting spray. After your hair is blow dried, you spray this, lightly mist this over your hair. Baby, when it says 1 pass, 1 pass, that's all you need. Honestly, I be so quick with it, and it get my hair so freaking straight. It be getting my hair bone straightened, but yet it still got mighty. It still has movement. My hair has been straight. It's been curled. It's been like this for a week now, without any touch-ups, without any nothing, no additional products. Once I use these, I'm done. I don't add a serum at the end because, like I said, my hair is very light, soft. So the more product that I add to my hair, the more it get weighed down. So these are literally the only 2 products that I use after my wash and dry. Now, if you guys are interested in my silk press routine, just let me know down below in the comment section, and I'll be more than willing to create a video so you guys can see that whole process. The next item that I've really been loving in February is the Juvia's Place Culture Palette. Now, if you guys been watching my videos, you know that I've been going in with this palette. I created 6 looks, 6 beautiful different looks using this palette. This palette has, let me see, this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 shades. I just wanted to create so many different looks using this palette because a lot of times we get these palettes and we don't know what to do. So I just wanted to kind of inspire you guys, give you some type of creativity, inspiration to create looks. I've been enjoying it. The mattes, buttery smooth. They have the duochromes, the full shadows, delicious. Like the colors, the pigment, oh my goodness, I've really been loving this palette. If you guys are interested in seeing any of those eye looks, I'm gonna put a playlist over here in the eye so you guys can check it out at the end of the video. But baby, guys, I just now noticed that the Dew in Juvia's Place, and now the next item I'm about to tell you guys about is all black owned. That wasn't my intentions, but I'm not mad at it. The Brow Girl Jane Discovery Set. All I gotta say is that every fragrance in here hit. There was not one fragrance that I did not like. Discovery Set is 6 fragrances. So it's 6 unique fragrances, all of them from Brown Girl Jane, and every single one of them hit. Every single one of them, if I would have got these individually as a gift, I would not have been mad at one of them. They all smell beautiful, delicious. Originally, when I created my video, I wanted to rank them like from the least to the, from the best to the least. As I was wearing them, I'm like, they all smell good. Like I couldn't even put any of them on the bottom. Now don't get me wrong, I have my top like 3 favorite fragrances. One of them is like the best that I'm like, okay, this is it. And then the other 2 is pretty much a tie. Even outside of the other 3 that's left over, they smell so good. If you haven't tried them, go ahead and check them out. You can check them out on their website. And after I posted my review video of Brown Girl Jane, it was announced that they are now being sold at Sephora. Now, the last item that I've been obsessed with this month is my Coach bag. Oh my god, isn't she pretty? Isn't she beautiful? Like, isn't she pretty? Like, I've really been enjoying this bag. I've been getting so many compliments. Every time I went out with this bag, everybody was complimenting on my bag, and rightfully so, because she is beautiful. I love the color. I love the way that it's shaped. I love how functional it is. Let me go ahead and open it up so you guys can see what it looked like on the inside. So on the inside, it has like this true red leather. It has 3 compartments. So it has 2 that's open and then 1 that zips up. Now the one that zips up, I usually get like put my personal items in it that I don't really want out like that. For example, like my potpourri or pads, wipes, things of that nature that I really don't want just sitting out in the open, zipped up, closed, okay? Here, I'll probably put like my phone, other things, lipstick, lip gloss, then like my wallet, things of that nature. It has 1 snap closure, boom. On the back, it has an additional pocket here, and usually I just slide my phone in there. It has this jacket material, this canvas jacket material, the C links. I don't know if you guys could see that. The detail or the design that's on the bag is actually C links, kind of like the chain. It is a velvet feel, and then obviously with the leather flap on top. I've been loving it. She is a beautiful bag. Every time I bring it out, every time I bring her out, compliments, compliments, compliments. Those are all my favorites for the month of January. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And if you want to see more of my favorites, go ahead and check out my last month favorites. I'm going to put it right there. Thank you all for watching. And remember, you're made for more. See you next time.